Alright, where are we going today?
An island.
What are we doing?
A boat tour.
I'm on a boat?
I'm on a boat.
Okay. And then tomorrow we're probably going to do the glass boat tour?
Maybe.
You're still trying to wake up, aren't you?
Mm-hmm. Bright sunlight is pouring.
Well, you want to switch sides?
I'm fine.
So, our tour starts at 9:30, an hour and a half. We'll have barbecue.
No, it's an hour.
No, I said it lasts an hour and a half.
Oh.
And we'll have
in an hour.
no, and we'll have barbecue on the island.
Mm-hmm.
And so, you excited?
Yay.